everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will see different models of DNA replication. First of all, what is DNA replication? DNA replication is the duplication of DNA molecule, or it is the self-synthesis of DNA molecule. And DNA replication occurs during S phase in cell cycle. S phase is the synthesis phase before cell division, during which DNA replicate itself, DNA molecule synthesize. So after the DNA discovery, scientists wanted to know that how this DNA duplicates, how this replication occurs. So scientists explained three different models of replication process. First one is semi-conservative model. In this semi-conservative model, this is the parental DNA molecule. Parent DNA molecule is the one which is undergoing replication, which will replicate, and after replication, new molecules will be formed which are known as daughter DNA. So in semi-conservative, this parental DNA molecule strands separate out. Here you can see these are the strands of parental DNA molecule. They first separate out and act as a template for the synthesis of new DNA strand. And this results in two DNA double helices. So you can see this results in two DNA double helices, and both of which consist of one parental DNA strand, this is a parental one, and one newly synthesized DNA strand. So this is a semi-conservative model. In conservative model, parental DNA undergoes replication. It undergoes replication and forms two new daughter molecules. So one daughter molecule is composed of newly synthesized strand. You can see this one is composed of newly synthesized strand, and the other daughter molecule is composed of both parental DNA strands. So this is known as conservative model, in which one daughter molecule have both newly synthesized strands and the other daughter molecule have parental DNA strands. Next is dispersive model, and in dispersive model, you can see this is the parental DNA. This undergoes replication and form two daughter strands. So in dispersive model, parental nucleotides disperse itself. So here, nucleotides combine together with the new nucleotides and form two new daughter DNA molecules. So you can see here that dispersed daughter molecules are formed, which are composed of both parental nucleotides and newly synthesized nucleotides as well. That's all about the DNA replication model. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe this channel.